Hello everyone. Today we'll be unboxing the Asus PhonePad 7 device. Uh, this is a tablet with a calling feature facility with 3G connectivity, and it is manufactured by Asus, the same company that is behind the manufacturing of popular Google Nexus 7. Right. As you can see, this is a similar device as compared to Google Nexus 7. Right. In this video, we will be only unboxing this device and will not be reviewing it fully. The review we will try to do in the next video. As you can see, this is a pretty nice package done by Asus, and let's see what's inside the box. Keep in mind that this is a review unit, and hence some of the accessories like manuals may be missing. Yeah. The box opens like this. This is a pretty new kind of box, right? It opens like this. This is your Asus PhonePad 7, right? Let's try to power it on. As you can see, this is right, the Asus PhonePad 7. Let's see what else is inside the box. Here it is, the micro USB cable, which can be used both for data transfer and also will be used for charging the device using the charger. This is the adapter, AC adapter, which you can use by connecting this USB cable here and then using this port to charge the device. Apart from that, there is nothing else in the box except here you find a small pin. As you can see, it is a very small pin. Here it is. This small pin is basically given to use it during putting the micro SIM in this device, right? So you need to use this pin to put micro SIM here in this slot. As you can see, this slot, you need to use this small pin to press this slot, and the slot comes out, and then you can put the micro SIM, right? As you can see, this is a 7-inch tablet. The device comes with support of 3G, which means that you can use a SIM card and make calls using this device, right? As you can see, you can make some calls using this device, right? Here you can see it is calling, right? Apart from that, it it comes with a 5 megapixel front camera and 2 megapixel back sorry 5 megapixel back camera and 2 megapixel front camera. Here you can see small, right? Apart from that, it comes with dual speakers in the front, and this is the power button. As you can see, these are the volume rockers. This can be used to insert your micro SD cards. Apart from that, this is the micro USB port. This is the microphone, something like that, used for voice input. Apart from that, nothing else which we need to tell. The back is a bit plasticky, means it's a combination of plastic plus metal, but it looks pretty stable, but it is very finishing is very fine. It's not a textured finish, right? This is your SIM card slot. This device supports a micro SIM and not a normal SIM, right? So you need to get a micro SIM to start using this device. That's it. That is the hands-on for this device. We'll be reviewing this pretty soon. and I will put up a whole full review to us. Thank you for watching the video.